But scalpers, as we know it, you guys can hammer it off of VWAP because we already know if it's above, it's bullish. And if it's below, it's bearish. So that's why I will tell you guys, wait until it breaks VWAP on a scalp or puts or a short on resistance or go long or a call above resistance. Does that make sense? You see how all of this is starting to tie together? How do we know it's not going to go lower? It's a great question. We don't know that, but what we do know is if it falls below and holds below this area, we don't want nothing to do with it, because then you got to start looking at, well, what's the next major area, right? So then we start looking at, well, where are those at? Well, you can see here, if this pulls off of this range, it's going to here, right? So I don't want to be in that. So right here, you can see this is obviously then can pull back. So then, and so if you guys heard me last couple of days, I'm giving you guys ranges. I'm like, hey, if you enter here, great. If not, this is another area, because if it continues to fall down, you get out. Now you wait for it to hit this other area. Boom, hammer this for the drive back to the upside.